Hey, Tefen here from Tefen's Tech, and this is going to be my most ultimate, biggest, craziest unboxing to date. It is, seriously. Check it out. What is this? What do you see? It is the SecretLab Titan Evo 2022 edition. This has got all new Neo leather. This is high-tech PU modified leather that they custom. It's not even PU leather. It is their own custom leather that they made themselves. It is 12 times stronger than regular PU leather. Their old stuff 4 times, 12 times now. This stuff can last up to like 8 years or more. So this is just incredible. So I thought I gotta jump on. I gotta get one of these. So here it is. And could I just get any one? No, of course not. We got the XL edition, of course, and Cyberpunk 2077 to go with my PC mod that I'm still working on, and I'll be getting more to this year and some videos hopefully sooner than later. So further ado, let's get into this. All right. All right. SecretLab Cyberpunk 2077. Look at the box art. Like, just to appreciate it. Like, it's just not some simple brown box like a lot of the other chairs come in. This is just incredible. Alright, 2022 series, zero compromises, engineered to last. See, this is the stuff I'm talking about. 3 million abrasion cycles, 12 times the industry standard. So, this is awesome. This is awesome stuff. 5 feet drop test. Oh, that's good to know. Alright, well, let's open her up. And I will let you know right away, this video is not sponsored by SecretLabs in any way, at all. So, just so you know. And there will be no code. I don't have a promo code for you, I'm sorry. Yeah. This is real deal, straight up. Alright, this is just the unboxing, but I will try to do what I can for review, and it will be completely unbiased, and yeah. SecretLab, hand inspected. Oh, look at that. That is the assembly guide. That is something else. That's cool. Oh, and the video. Look at that. So scan this QR code and it'll give us a video. So yeah, it's got the built-in lumbar adjustment and all that stuff. Welcome to home comfort. SecretLab accessories. Alright. Ooh. Oh, look at that. Oh man, it's a beaut. It is a beaut. Wow. Alright, is there anything around it that can come out too? Yes, there is. Okay. The magnetic head pillow system. With the magnetic pillow. Oh, so, okay. The magnetic pillow is just like a generic dark gray or something on black. I was hoping that would have been like a custom yellowed one for the Cyberpunk, but unfortunately it's not. They just seem to include their regular generic one. So that is unfortunate and disappointing. I will say that would be one thing that would be nice difference to see is at least custom stitching to match for the pillow. Yeah, you can see the magnetic properties working right there. Alright. On to the next piece. you back. That's nice. Wow. Whoa. That is something else. Okay. So I thought this would have been like maybe printed on or something, but no, it looks like this is like just a straight up yellow piece, and all of the detailed design that you see, yes, even including this, all of the detail is all embroidered. Wow, that's really awesome. That is awesome. Sealed for quality. Wow. Yeah, that is pretty sweet. That's probably obviously no way there wouldn't be genuine. I mean, it was shipped directly from their place, so, and purchased from their website. No reason to question. Now note the nice efforts they have and all the careful placing of all the just different packaging materials. Yeah. Pretty decent package. All this in, nice to see a bit more padding on the top of bombs for the insurance backup piece. Okay, now we get down to here, this box. PU foam armrest tops. Alright. So these will be the armrest tops here. Not too bad. It actually is kind of like a foam type material. Huh. Interesting. A PU foam. So that's the armrest there. I think you one armrest, maybe. I'm just going to switch. Yeah. Ooh, it's a deeper box. Yeah. All right. Accessories box. So that is probably some other parts we need. Putting things together or something. We'll check that box out after. Okay, the next part that needs to come out is the 5-star base here. Okay. It is all one piece. Awesome. Okay. Nice. Looks like it is all like one solid rock forged piece. If I'm not mistaken. Sweet. That is that's awesome. Well, the instructions don't instruct you on how to get everything out of the box, which I almost think they should. The assembly video might, I don't know, because I don't have time to watch that right now because I'm making my own video. So, yeah. Okay, and here's the middle part of there. You know, melt everything together. I forgot where this moment. Okay. Oh, well, that's it. There, I expected a little bit more solid construction on that part. Oh, all right. Especially because it's the XL, so. Okay, looks like that's just it. There we go. All right. Wow, that's nice. Alright, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. And that concludes all of what comes in the box here, and take it all out and unboxing it. So, hope you enjoyed this unboxing video of the Cyberpunk 2077 SecretLab's Titan Evo 2022 edition extra large. And check back and check the channel for other videos, and hopefully you can check out the other video for assembling the chair and what the chair looks like all put together, as well as other future videos of other matching theme stuff that I'll be doing for my setup, as well as my PC mods. So anyways, thanks for watching. Have a very happy day.